lipatan?
Sa tuloy ba ito?
5 years daw.
Ba't ka nakangiti?
5 years daw po.
Ganito po yan. Di ko naman po dinedenay, no, na may...
Martin Rivera, Pops Fernandez, Ogie Alcacid at Regine Velasquez in a Valentine concert aptly titled Foursome. The exes and the present couple are expected to fill the SM Mall of Asia Arena to the rafters.
Yung combination lang with Martin and Pops, ako personally, kaka-overwhelm yun. Diba? Ngayon ko lang makakatrabaho si Martin talaga.
Nag-rehearse na kami. Ang ganda ng rap. Ganda ng rap. Ang ganda
kantahan.
Sobra. So, very excited.
Nataon mismong Valentine's Day ang gabi ng pagtatanghal. Paano nila yun ipagdiriwang mag-asawa?
Well, every day is Valentine's Day.
I knew you were gonna say that.
So, parang wala. Parang wala. Yun na siguro. Unless meron siyang surprise sa akin.
Di ba dapat ikaw yun ang surprise?
Wala mga surprise.
Hindi, alam mo, sabi ko sa kanya, pasensya na sasabihin ko. Sabi ko, Han, wag na tayo magregaluhan ng mga mamahaling bagay kasi maging practical naman tayo. Una-una, tumatanda na tayo. And so I said, sige, this year may theme tayo. Sabi ko, Han, wala, anong regalo natin sa isa't isa. Yung, sabi yung surprise? Yung hindi mo expected. So syempre, meron na akong pin-prepare. Ewan ko sa kanya. So,
supporting kayo mag-ibigay.
Oo. So, ako nabili ko na yung sa akin.
Ganon.
Ewan ko yung sa'yo.
Ang sa akin ginagawa.
Ginagawa.
Kasi hindi mo malalaman kung matatouch yung partner mo o hindi. So, yun din yung medyo excitement. I don't want to call it a game, but it's...
Samantala, mainit na pinag-uusapan ng umano'y planong paglipat ni Ogie sa kabilang istasyon.
Anong lipatan?
Sa tuloy ba ito?
5 years daw.
Ba't ka nakangiti?
5 years daw po.
Ganito po yan. Di ko naman po dinedenay, no, na may talks po ang manager ko at ang TV5. But as of this point, medyo premature for me to talk about it. Kasi wala pa naman talagang final na nangyayari. But it's true, we have been talking to TV5 since last year, since probably October of last year.
So wala pa naman.
But as we speak, wala pang nalalagdaan. And the details of that, mas alam ng manager. My manager has spoken to our bosses also. So they're very much aware of what's going on. So,
okay, are you still under contact with Jamie or nag-expire na?
No, I still am.
Up to
June, I believe, of this year. So it's only Feb. Maaga pa.
Kung saan magiging masaya yung asawa ko, syempre, dun ako. But as far as I am concerned, hindi naman kasi magkasama yung career namin eh. Kung saan ako magiging comfortable, sinusuportahan niya rin naman.
Bagamat matagal nang hiwalay, mas lumalim pa ang pakikitungo ni na Pops Fernandez at Martin Rivera sa isa't isa.
I don't know the time frame kung talagang yun ko bilang yung mga years that we've been apart. People always ask, how long you've been separated? I said, I don't know, because I don't celebrate that like the way I do a birthday or an anniversary. We still share probably more things than some married couples share. So I think it's not a blessing that we broke up, but it's a blessing that we remain friends.
It's really hard to explain kasi di ba parating tinatanong kailan and whatever. There was a time kasi na nagkaroon talaga kami ng sobrang heart-to-heart talk ni Martin. It's an unexpected moment. Pero talagang nag-iyakan and everything. And I think that was the point nga na na-realize ko na sa akin anyway na we really just have to move on and do whatever it is that we can do and just move on for the sake of our kids. Pero kagabi kasi kasal nung anak ni Gary na si Paolo at saka yung pamangkin niyang si Samantha. Actually, lahat kami sobrang nasenti. Siyempre, ako naman lahat ng weddings iniiyakan ko, maski na hindi ko kakilala, iniiyakan ko. Pero ito kasi, na-realize ko last night na maski na nga hindi na siguro kami together ni Martin, na-feel ko na kasali pa rin, kumbaga sa family pa rin pala ako. Kasi di ba nakita ko si Sam, yung pamangkin niya, bago pa nabuo si Sam, na-experience ko at nandun ako nung nagtatry yung kapatid niya na si Gina at si Jaime. So in a way, para akong nanay na sobrang proud ako at maski na nga feeling ko hindi na ako somehow part ng family pa rin ako. And I think that's the reason why Martin and I can still remain friends because na-accept pa rin ako ng family niya. Tapos yung family ko rin naman pag nandun si Martin. But somehow there is still some sort of connection. And for me, I was sobrang blessed to be part of their family.